Hello everyone. Now in this video I welcome to all of you. Now you will see the second day of the Excel practical. In this video you will learn these things: number formatting, date and time formatting, cell styles, creating series autofill by different method, autofill using more than one starting cell values, autofill of date and time, autofill of the text values, horizontal and vertical autofill, and custom lists. Very important, this is custom list, very interesting and important. So first you see our first topic, number formatting. For this I have written some numbers already on a sheet 2 of this file. Now you see I am going to remove these numbers and I will tell you from beginning. I want to divide this number by this number and I want result in this cell number E3. So click in the E3, type equal to, click on this A3 cell, press the divide key and then click on this cell. Computer will write formula by itself. Press enter key. Now you see result is coming 0.7. In the same way, if you want to divide in 325 by 17, type equal to, click on this cell, divide symbol, click on 17 and press enter key. Now you see that answer is here. So this is very easy to putting the formula in MS Excel. No need to write the formula in rest of the cells. We write formula only once and then we can copy the formula. Now see that how to copy the formula. Place your mouse pointer at this corner point. Your mouse pointer will be changed in the dark plus shape. Then you press your left button and drag it down till that cell, till where you want your answer. Now you see that all the answers are here. Understand now number formatting. Select all the cells in which you want to apply the number formatting. Right click here and then click on format cells. In format cells dialog box, you see number is already selected here. Many categories are here: general, number, currency, accounting, date, time. Many things are there, but I want to change only the number. So click on the number. How many decimal places digits you want, you can select from here. If you want comma in your numbers, then click on this checkbox. Click OK button. Now you see that after point 3 digits are coming in all the answers. In Excel, if we change any number in which already formula is typed, automatically the answer will be changed. Now I have changed the number in this. Press enter key. Now you see that your new answer is coming. In place of 113, if you write only 7, now you see that your answer is now this. You can see that here comma is coming. So if there will be more than 3 digits, then you will see comma. Comma will appear after three digits in the integer part. So like this you can select. If you want to less decrease or increase your decimal places values, you can do this work from here also. This is known as increased decimal. You see that after decimal digits are increasing, and by clicking on this you can decrease the decimal digits. This time there are two digits after the decimal point. Increase from here and decrease from here. You can set as per your need. So like this is your number formatting. Now understand the next topic. Our next topic is date and time formatting. In this you see I have written some data already. You can also type. You see that your here date is appearing 3 February 2004, and here you see that this in formula bar 3 to 2004. This is in general format and this is an advanced format. Now you see that how can we format these cells. On your Excel file, first of all I am going to change these dates in normal format. Right click on it, format cells, click on date, and I have selected a normal formatting here. In this also right click here, format cells, date, and normally click OK. I have changed these dates in a normal format. Now you understand, if you want to change these dates in another format, then select these cells range. I have selected this area. Now you can click here on the number group. In this format you see this is the format of date. In this date, month name and year will come in 2 digits. In this date will come, month will come without 0, and then 2 digits of the year. In this dot symbol will appear. In this year, then month, then date will come. So many things are also in this first date, then month name, and then year. In this you can see that day name, date, month, year, everything is coming in this way. So whatever you want to select, you can select. Click on OK button. Now you see that all the dates has been changed. We want to change these dates in another format, then select this data range. I have selected this cell range. Now click on the number, this arrow. Under the date, these samples are given. Choose another one. In this day name also will appear. Click on OK. Now you see that date has been changed. So like this you can change all the dates. I want to make them bold. Put the color of your choice. Fill color of your choice. And then size. So this also you can do. Now I will move for the next topic. Our next topic is cell styles. How we can change the cell styles in predefined format. In cell styles you see that I have changed these cells by clicking on each button. Under the cell styles Some styles are already defined which we can use to format our cells. First of all, select the data range for which you want to change. Then here click on the cell styles, arrow will appear. Now which type of appearance you want to put, whatever you want to put, you can click on that. You are seeing now as I am moving my mouse pointer here, then appearance is going to change on the screen. So whatever is your choice, you can click on that. Suppose if you want this or this one or this one, this one, this one, this is, so whatever you want, you can click on that. Okay, no need to change one by one of font formattings. So this is known as cell styles. Now go for the next topic. Our next topic is creating series autofill. This is very important feature of Excel. First of all, see that how we can copy the same thing in rest of cells. Here you see I have written a number 1 and now I want to copy 1 in the rest of cells. Then click in this cell, place your mouse pointer on this bottom mark. As your mouse pointer changes to dark plus shape, drag it down. Now you see that this series has been filled with the same number of 1. This is known as copy cells. Copy cells. You click on this arrow mark and then you will see that copy cells. Now the second thing, if you want to fill these cells with different numbers, a series, then click on fill series. Now you see that this has been changed in the series. All the numbers are increasing by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this up to 19. You can increase it more as per your need. Drag it down. This will increase. So like this. Again you see that how you can type or take a new sheet. Suppose you have written here a number 8 and after that you want to fill this much area with other numbers. Click on this mark and click on fill series. You see that series is filled by itself. Now if we want to copy only the formatting in the rest of cells, here numbers are already written and in this cell I have written this 5. Now I am going to change the color of this and fill color. I want to apply this color. Now same formatting I want to apply in rest of cells. Then how will you do? Click here and drag it from here, this small square. Click on this mark and click on fill formatting only. As you will click on the fill formatting only, then you see these numbers are previous numbers, but all the numbers has been changed in this color and in this fill color. So like this you can copy only formatting of the numbers. Next is if you want to fill only the numbers without formatting. Here you can see a new example. You write first number 7. I have written the next number 9. Now select both numbers. Drag them down. This series will be filled and format the first one drag to down, click on this mark, take the option fill without formatting. Now you see that this series will be filled without formatting. No formatting is here. Is this clear to all? Understand the next thing. Our next topic is autofill using more than one starting cell values. How we can type a series of numbers, understand on a new sheet. I have written here a number 6 and in this cell I have written 12. Select both these and drag it from here. Now you see the table of 6 has created because the first number is 6 and the next number is 12. The difference between these two numbers is 6. Now computer will fill all the numbers at the skipping by the 6 numbers, or we can say that by adding 6 in each step. Suppose if you want to fill here the table of 13, then write down 13. In the next one you write down 26. Select both. Place your mouse pointer on this. As the mouse pointer changes to the dark plus sign, you drag it down. Now you see that table of 13 is here. You can put the numbers in descending order also. Let first number is 35 and next number is 33. Here is the difference of 2. Numbers are decreasing. If we will copy this series in the rest of cells, then all the numbers will come by -2. You can see that all the numbers are decreasing by 2. So like this is known as autofill using more than one starting cell values. Now you understand autofill dates and time. First of all, fill days. How to write day's name? Write a date here, 9/7/2024. Press enter key. Drag from here. Now you see that the dates are coming by 1 gap, means next day 9, 10, 11, 12, all the dates are coming. Now in this series many options will appear. Your fill days, so this time it is fill days, means all the days are coming. Fill weekdays. Now you see 9, 10, 11, 12 is coming, then 13, 14 is missing, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 is coming, then 20 and 21 are missing. So computer is showing weekdays. Weekdays means it is leaving weekend days, means Saturday and Sunday will not come. From Monday till Friday all the dates will appear. This is known as weekdays. If you want only fill the month's date with the gap of the next month. You see 9/7 is coming, then 9/8, then 9/9, then 9/10. So like this dates are coming at the gap of the one month. If you want the dates fill at the gap of the years, then click on the fill years. Here you see now the dates has been changed. This is 9/7/2024. Your next date is 9/7/2025. Means now dates are coming at the gap of the 1 year. So this is your auto fill dates and time. Fill days, fill weekdays, fill month's name, fill years. Here spelling was mistake. I have corrected it. Now understand the next topic, autofill text values. Text values. In text values you see we can write day's name. Type here the first day name, Monday. Select it and drag from here with the dark plus. You see that remaining days will come by itself. Like this you can fill anywhere day's name. If you want to write the day's name in short abbreviation, then you write only 3 letters of the day name and drag it down. Now you see that only 3 letters will appear of each day name. If you want to fill in a row, you can start from any day. Suppose I want to start from Friday. Then write down FRI, click outside. Once again click in this cell and drag it. Now you see that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like this days name are coming. So you can do this work. Now you can also fill month's name as per your need in the Excel cells anywhere. So first write down that month name from where you want to start. Suppose you want to start from the March, then write down March. After that click in this and drag from here. Now you see that all the days names are, months name are appearing on your Excel sheet. You can type the month's name in short also with 3 letters only. Suppose type only JAN for January. Click here, place your mouse pointer here, dark plus is appearing, drag it down. Now you see that only 3 letters of each month name will appear here. So this is the method to type the month name, to type the day's name, to type the tables or the numbers in the decreasing order and different types of dates. Now our next topic is horizontal and vertical autofill. I have told this already. When we drag in a row, this is your horizontal filling, and when we drag down, this is known as vertical filling. You can drag or autofill data in any direction, in a row also or in a column also. Next topic is custom list. In custom list, we can make our list in Excel. How to make a list in Excel? First of all, type some flowers name here, like lily, lotus, rose, sunflower, marigold, I have written these names here. Now what you have to do, select these flower names, click on the file, then come to the options. In options, you click on advanced, save, proofing, data, formulas, general, so many things are there. Customize ribbon, quick access toolbar, add-ins, trust center. But we want to add a custom list in this page. So you will click on the advanced. You see, like this screen will appear. You have to come down, more, come down. In general tab, under the general, you will get one option, edit custom lists. Click here. Now you see, click on add button. Click in this area. Then click on the import button. The names which you have typed in this range, they will appear here, and now this has been added here also. You see, as we typed the day name, so these are already filled here. These day name already filled here. Months name are here. Short in abbreviation. Okay, these name. So like this, we were filling autofill option. So why they were coming? Because they are already filled here. That's why they were coming. Again, you understand. How will you do this work? You will click on the file tab. You will click on the options. You will click on the advanced option. Then come down. Under the general, you will click on the edit custom lists. So these lists are here. This list is already added, so I don't want to go it again. Click on OK button. Here also click on OK button. Delete these names. Clear contents. Now what will happen? If you want to type those flowers name, you type any flower name which is in the list. Type here rose. Now click on this cell and drag it down by the plus button. Now you see the remaining names of the list are appearing in the cell. So this is the list which is made by you. You can make a list of your friend's name. You can make the list of your teacher's name. You can make the list of your relative names. So like this, as you will type any one name, the remaining names will appear by itself, and this custom list will remain in your computer for always until you do not delete. So in this video, all the things I have covered which is given in the ICSE pattern in standard 6. So you can watch this video again and again. Best of luck. Thank you for watching.